Right then, you found video 2. This video is all about creating a page. So, first of all, before you start making a page, let's have a just quick little look around the dashboard. Down here, you've got all the features of WordPress. So, you've got things like these things, which are plugins, these two, Jetpack and WooDojo. You've got these things, which are your sort of content, your posts, your media, your link, pages, and some other bump that we've got over there. And then down here, all the stuff to do with appearance and tools and settings. So it's a little orientation on the dashboard. As your site grows, this is going to start giving you information about who's looking at it, the popularity of different pages, where people are coming from, and such like. So it's quite an interesting thing to be aware of. But right now, what we need to do is we need to add in a page. At the moment, there is only one page. If I click home, I go to the home page. That's it. You're looking at it. It's this page. It just has a little welcome note. So let's find that page and then just show you how easy it is to edit it. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Did you notice what I just did there? What I've got is I've got two windows open. I've got my dashboard, which is kind of like, you know, under the bonnet or under the hood of your site, looking at all the different little settings that you can change. And then over on this tab, I've got the site, so I can see what the effects of those changes are. So if I make a change on here, I can go check it out on here. Yeah, so you might want to do that. If you want to do that, all you have to do is put your mouse over the site, go to where it says visit site, but just right click and go open in new tab. And that's going to open it up there. So let's go to the pages. Here's my pages section. If I click it here, I get to the all pages section, and there are all my pages. There's only one, remember, welcome to my site. That's the home page. I'm going to click on that, and there we go. That's it. Can you see? That's that same content that was over here. This is this. So if I wanted to make a change onto here, I could, you know, write a change, blah, 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 blah. Hopefully you've got something more interesting to say than that. Once you've finished updating, hit update, and before your very eyes, what will happen is it's updated. Now I go back to my view of the site. It doesn't look like it's changed, but that's because the page needs to be reloaded. So I can either hit the refresh button like this to reload the page, or just use the F5 key on your keyboard to reload the page, and we should see that exciting new addition to the site that I've just done. There you go. There's the exciting new addition to that page. So that's how to enter something onto the page. But what you might want to do, what you will want to do, is you need to create a whole new page, and then you're going to add it onto this menu. So let's go have a look at how to do that. Go to new page, either here, add new, or here, add new. And I'm going to use my robotics class for an example, because those guys are the ones who are probably using this first. So if I could spell robotics, it would help. There we go. So I've just called that robotics, that page. Okay, I'm going to leave all these other settings blank. Yeah, so I'm not going to worry about those other settings yet. I'm just going to hit publish. Okay, so I've now created that page. There's nothing in that page, but it is created. Of course, I'm not going to be able to see it though, because it's not accessible on this menu yet. So what I now need to do is add it to that menu. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, that page has been made. I'm going to now go to Appearance and Menus. And in lightning fast time, there it comes. So over here, what you've got here is you've got your menu. These are the items that appear on that menu. At the moment, there's only one. Home. There, home. This is the menu, by the way. Over here, this is what we're editing now. So there's home. This menu is called the main menu, and it is set to be the primary menu here. So if I go here and have a look at the pages, in most recent, because I've just made it, there's that robotics page. So if I click that and go add to menu, then it's going to appear up here. There. So I now hit Save menu. You've got to remember to keep hitting Save or Publish or Update, because if you don't do that, then obviously when you navigate away from this page, it's all gone. But that's saved now, so now I should have 2 items on my menu. Let me go back to view my site. Where is it? I need to refresh. F5, refresh, and hopefully now I have 2 items. Okay, there we go. And I can now click on this menu item here. It's going to take me to that page. There we go. Obviously there's nothing on that page yet. In the next video I'll show you how to add content to that page. That's video 3. See you then.